look here. We found a recipe on TikTok that had over 2 million views. And while I was watching this TikTok, I was drooling. So I ran to the grocery store, got all the ingredients I needed. So we're gonna make it. I've already made it. We already know whether it was good or not, but you need to stick around so you can find out, is it viral for a reason? Is there a reason why it has over 2 million views? Or is it just kind of gimmicky? Hey y'all, I'm Mandy, and this is Mandy in the Making. If you're new around here, I share recipes all the time, and usually my videos have about 3 recipes in them. So add the subscribe button into your salsa that you're gonna make to go with your dinner. That way you won't miss any future recipes. This viral recipe that we're making is called Chili Crunch Honey Chicken Bowls. We're doing it on plates. It's simple ingredients. It is a very quick recipe, 20 minutes or less, so let's do it.
All right, beautiful. What we got going on tonight?
I am so stoked. My mouth is already watering just thinking about it, so let's do it. I've got some chicken thighs here. We're gonna season these first. If you're having rice with this, which we are, you wanna go ahead and get that started. So I've got that pot on the stove, heating up some chicken broth that we're gonna cook our rice in. While we wait on that, let's prep our chicken. Part of prepping the chicken is prepping the air fryer. I'm gonna preheat it to 380. So we're gonna season our chicken thighs, get them ready. We've got this infused olive oil. What is it? Is it Tuscan infused? What is it, babe?
Yeah, remember? Tuscan herb.
Oh yeah, Tuscan herb infused olive oil. We just love the flavor of it, so we're gonna use this until it's gone. So just put a little olive oil on your chicken. Then you're gonna do some spices. We're gonna use this Spice Titan all-purpose, but if you don't have something like an all-purpose seasoning, just use some salt, pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, smoked paprika, stuff like that. This has all of that in there. So there we go. So let's add this to it. This is something I have never used before. It is a chili crunch oil. I'm not really sure how this all works, so here we go. Pretty sure this is pretty hot, but we're gonna balance it out with some honey. So don't be too scared.
I ain't scared. I'm not
I know
afraid.
You ain't scared.
It smells good.
It does smell good.
All those seasonings and stuff on there.
All right, that's one side down. Let's do the other side, same way. Except I forgot an ingredient. Are you surprised? No, you are not. You need some honey. I mentioned the honey, but then I forgot. So let's just drizzle this over. You don't want to be stingy with your honey.
I think you're being stingy.
I am not being stingy. Now, are you happy?
Somewhat. I'm just kidding.
Let's flip her over. Maggie Moo, what are you doing back there?
She's got the zoomies.
She is on on the chair right behind you. Mags.
Hey, little girl. What is it?
She's a mess. So I already did my olive oil on this side. I'm going to go in with my seasonings, my chili crunch oil, and then we will do honey on this side too. Okay, there's no way this is not gonna be good. All right, let's head over to the air fryer. We decided to bring the air fryer to me because we got a mess over here. So let's put our chicken. Oh, we hear that sizzle. I'm just taking all of this goodness that's sitting here on this cutting board and throwing it all over the place. And some of it's landing on the chicken. There we go. This is gonna air fry at 380 for about 15 minutes. So my rice, water, or chicken broth in my case, has come up to a boil. So I'm gonna add 1 cup of rice in here and splatter it everywhere. It is time to make the pineapple salsa. Now, in full disclosure, fresh pineapple would be great. And the guy holding the camera tried to make me feel guilty for not getting the fresh pineapple. Oh,
bless her heart.
Ain't that pitiful? But I just didn't feel like messing with it today.
I understand.
So we're going with pineapple chunks. I got the kind in 100% pineapple juice, and you need about 1 cup of this. So I'm just gonna use this whole small can. You know what? I think I'm gonna chop it up a little bit more. What do you think, babe?
Go for it.
Chop some of these pieces up. Easier said than done.
Yeah, you should probably put that on the cutting board.
Yeah, it's not gonna happen. Let's cut this up a little bit more, just because I want a little bit of pineapple in pretty much every bite, and these larger pieces, that ain't gonna cut it. So let's just do this real quick.
You can get you a big knife and just...
I could. I done messed this one up. Y'all like my English, my grammar. I done messed it up.
Yeah.
That's how we talk in the South. We know it's not right, but we do it anyway. Okay, down to the last couple. I think this is much better for the salsa. Look, one got away. All right, in we go. So, let me tell you a little story. I went to the grocery store just a few minutes ago to get some of the last ingredients that I needed for this. And I hear, is that Mandy in the making? While I'm sitting in my car, right as I pulled in. And I looked up, and it's my friend Christy. You've seen her here on this channel before, but I was showing her what I was making tonight. I showed her the TikTok, and she said, oh, when you make your pineapple salsa, add red bell pepper. And I already had some on hand, so we're doing per Christy's instruction, and we're adding some red bell pepper. So thank you, Christy, for that heads up. There we go. I only did about half of a red bell pepper. Next, let's cut up some cucumber. Let's add that over there. Red onion, finely dice that really quickly. This, I guess, would be optional if you don't like heat. You can leave out the jalapeno, but we love it. So diced jalapeno is gonna go in as well. Lastly, let's put some avocado in there.
Still got some lime to put in there too, right?
Yeah, I mean, last bit of chopping that I gotta do.
Gotcha.
And we gotta put, do we have to put honey in there too? I don't know, we'll have to look back at the recipe. I'll look back at the TikTok. And I told a fib, we got cilantro too. Cilantro is gonna go in as well. You know, I'm always forgetting an ingredient. It never fails. It wouldn't be cooking with Mandy if it wasn't forgetting an ingredient. Just do as I say, not as I do, you know? We've got our lime, we're gonna juice that. And we will need honey over top of the whole dish, but not in here in the salsa. Other half of that, and then we're gonna add some salt and pepper, and then we're done. How pretty is that? Christy, thank you for the tip for the red bell pepper, because that brightens it up even more. That's great. Oh
That looks delicious. It smells amazing.
It smells so good. Our chicken just finished just a second ago. We're waiting on our rice to finish up, and then it's gonna be time to plate up, y'all.
That looks amazing.
Oh my gosh. Okay, we're gonna let it rest while the rice is finishing up, but I'm so hungry, it's ridiculous. I'm gonna sneak a little taste and see if we need any more salt or anything. We don't, it's perfect. Oh my gosh. Our rice is beautiful.
I mean, as far as looks,
The presentation though,
I mean, wow.
this screams summer, this screams delicious.
Amazing.
Fresh.
Oh man, that chicken is cut like butter. I'll make sure I get plenty of that chili honey glaze that's on there. Let's get this salsa. So much going on here. I got so much to get on my fork.
You ain't doing a very good job of
I
it.
know. All right, that's enough. We'll come back for more.
Okay.
Here we go.
What's happening over there?
It's just like one flavor right after another, just boom, 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 boom. That's amazing. A little bit of the heat. It's not as spicy as I thought it was. I mean, spicy. Little hint of spice that's in there, just hits you in the back.
But it's not overpowering.
No.
Good.
Sweet, spicy.
Okay.
And then you've got this like, it cuts through sort of the savoriness of the honey.
Yeah.
This fresh
Yes.
salsa.
Yeah.
It's got the crunch. You can get the crunch of the pepper, which is a great addition. And then the pop of the pineapple that's in there. Fresh ingredients. The cilantro. Boy, that's hitting hard.
Good. I am so excited to try this. Look at me picking out a good one.
That is good.
It's viral for a reason then, huh?
Yeah.
Okay, y'all. I'm going to give him a minute, let him eat, and then I'm going to dig in
Oh,
too.
man. I'm going to tell you what, that avocado in here too?
He said, you ain't ready for this.
Nope.
I'm trying to get some on my plate, or on my fork too.
That's right.
It
You
ain't.
got to get all the lovely bits.
I hate it when you say that. I don't know why.
Just pick out all the flavors. Just pick them out.
Sweet, spicy, but not, my mouth is burning spicy.
Right.
Because the honey does such a good job of toning it down, as well as the freshness from all these ingredients in this salsa. It really tones down the spiciness of that chicken.
It's
That's
amazing.
good.
That is amazing. Out of the air fryer too.
We love us some air fryer.
Oh yeah.
I would say it's a medium spice, medium to medium low spice. So
Right.
don't be scared of that chili oil or whatever it's called,
Yeah.
something like that. Don't be scared of it because you're going to tone it down with so much of the honey too. I feel like I could even go up a notch on the heat and put hot honey on this and be totally fine.
I like the way you tell. It just gets better as you eat it.
It does.
I mean, it just gets better and better and better. This would be really good for like a meal prep. Because you could do this really easily with that.
Yeah, and just separate, keep the salsa
Yeah.
separate. And then day of, heat up your rice and your chicken and then put the salsa on top. So this would be
We're going to have to do that.
Yeah.
That is
This would be
gonna
good to
happen.
have during the week. Absolutely.
Babe, you found a gem.
I'm telling you what. It has over 2 million views. There's a reason.
Yeah.
It's phenomenal. Leftovers, meal prep. Some lucky person tomorrow is getting leftovers for lunch. I may have to fight someone over that one. Am I going to have to fight you for this for lunch tomorrow?
No. I'm just going to eat it. That's mine.
Oh, got it.
Put an M on there from mine.
Uh-huh. Bye. Y'all, that one's hard to beat. Don't be surprised if you see that in our best of coming up pretty soon. It was really good. If you enjoyed this video, and I hope that you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. That helps out the channel. And like I mentioned earlier, be sure to subscribe too. We love y'all. We appreciate you, and we hope you're having the best week. We'll see you next time. Bye, y'all.